Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to pay with Monzo on phone. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your mobile application on your phone. So launch your Monzo mobile application on your phone. For first timers, all right, I'm going to show you how exactly to get Monzo. You can launch your Apple Store or your Google Play Store. Go over there and then look for the search bar, which is at the top. In there, type Monzo. Monzo is going to pop. Then you have to click on the install button to install Monzo. Once it has been successfully installed, then the next thing that you have to do is to set up your account right there in your mobile application on Monzo. Once you have set up your Monzo account right there, that's it. You can now explore the features on Monzo to have an exciting time. So now that you have set up your account on the Monzo mobile application, here's exactly what you can do to pay bills or to make payments. This is how you can make payments right on your phone. So you can make payments via Google Pay. Okay, you can make payments via Google Pay. This means you can add your Monzo card to Google Pay if you've got a compatible Android phone. So first criterion, you need to have a compatible Android phone, and then you can add Monzo card to Google Pay and then make your payments with ease. So the first step that you have to take is to download the Google Pay app from Google Play Store. So just like I had already explained the process of downloading or installing Monzo from Google Play Store, follow through the process, launch Google Play Store, search bar, type Monzo, click on install, you're good to go. So once you have downloaded and you have installed, follow the Google Pay app's instructions to add your Monzo card. It's not difficult. Just go ahead and click on add card and then follow through the process. It's really simple on Google Pay. And then once you have set or you've added your Monzo card on your Google Pay is going to send you a code via text to check your account, so which you need to enter. So that's it. So you need to be sure that the number that you've added to Google Pay can receive SMS and your phone is actually on, or the phone that you receive the SMS on is actually available, or it's ready. All right, because once you get a text, that's when you're going to enter it and that's going to be confirmed. But if you do not get the text, then that means your process is not going to be complete. So download the Google Pay app, then add Monzo card to your Google Pay app, then enter your code that's sent to you via text message on your phone. And once you do that, that's it. You will now be able to set up Google Pay on Monzo or set up Monzo on Google Pay. And so once you do that, whatever thing that you want to make payments on, just go ahead and select Monzo card, which you've already set up in your Google Pay, and you'll be able to make payments anywhere, anytime. So this is pretty much the process. You can go about this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you're good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.